Okay, so what we're going to be using today is something called the Duc Plow. I'll put a link for it down below. It's fairly heavy. The handles come in different lengths. You order it for the height person that it is. I actually ordered this one for Donna's height, but she's not comfortable using it. It just doesn't work well for her. It's just not ergonomic, I guess, is what you call it. Look how beautiful, hello kitty. Look how beautiful your amaranth is.
Amaranth, yeah.
So normally I would pull a straight line because I like things relatively straight, and then I would just go from there visually. But we have the trenches. This is where the wheat was, and this is where we're going to be putting the wheat again for the second planting. So this isn't dug out too much over here. What I have noticed with this device is when you're in fresh dirt that has not been turned, that has not been plowed or tilled, it can be really difficult to get started. That's kind of the case up here, I think, so I may have a little challenge getting this started. Once you get it started and it's in relatively soft ground, then it just plows along in the way it's designed to mound, so you can come back later on in the season and mound up your stuff. We used it for the corn. Okay, this guy here, no.
He just likes to lay down in it.
All right, so I like to just give it a little tug in there, get it started, and you basically just got to get it in that trench, and every now and then you're going to hit some dirt clods or some hard spots and
Rocks.
I can go through this more than once. This is kind of why I pull a straight line, to keep it straighter, but that's all right. It's wheat. There?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna go make one more pass. So it's not a tractor where it's got the weight and the power of a tractor pulling a plow, or a little yard tractor even pulling the plow. So it's gonna be a little jiggy-jaggy every now and then, like I said, when you hit a rock or a dry spot.
Yep.
All right, let's make another pass. And the softer this dirt is initially, the deeper you'll be able to go. All right, I don't see the other trench, so you're gonna have to let me know where you want this one.
All right, keep.
And you want 2 additional ones.
Normally I would just have one down the middle, but the wheat is not very big.
So I'm digging a new trench here then.
Well, there were 2 there before.
There was, okay. Like so?
Yep.
I think I want a second pass on this one. I can't remember what this cost. I'll look it up and put it on the screen. Wasn't too much, just worth it. I mean,
It's
still,
a lot less work than a traditional.
oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah. To hoe this manually at that distance, you couldn't do it that fast. I mean, we can even kind of put a countdown timer up as to how long it takes me to make one trench, right?
good.
I'm gonna go back and should I go back and do that one?
No, it's just fine because
Is it? Okay.
I'm planting.
Right on. Okay, here we go. Okay, it was about 24, 25 seconds, I guess, by just my head count. And that was to cover, oh, what did we figure, 45 feet? And I've got 4 trenches. So, I mean, you're talking total, maybe 5 minutes, maybe longer for me because I'm getting old and I'm huffing and puffing. But how's it look? Do you need these cleaned up now? I'm happy to do that.
Those are fine because I'm going to go in and put in my wheat.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going to be our second planting of wheat, not exactly a winter wheat. I tried winter wheat last year. It gets too cold here to do a winter wheat. So this is a late summer, early fall wheat, and I'm going to be planting it with free seeds. These are going to be emmer seeds. We did red 5 and emmer previously. Weren't real happy with the red 5. The birds liked it too much. So we're planting all emmer, so free seeds. So hey Donna, how do I get free seeds? You just plant your wheat and you save your seeds.
Amen. All right. So Duc Plow, just another method of getting your trenches in the garden. Takes a little while to get used to. We've had this for a couple of seasons. But I have noticed once your ground is worked, then it gets significantly easier each time to use the Duc Plow. So just one more tool to put in your arsenal. And that's it. Enjoy. Have a great day. Don't forget to build, grow, preserve, and live. Thanks for watching our 2-acre world.
Our 2-acre world gives us a simple life.